Hello all viewers, welcome to Million Designs, your online shopping destination for pure Kanjivaram silks. In today's episode, we have some exclusive collection of Ganga Jamuna borders and simple zari temple border Kanchipattu sarees. Starting with this triple color, black and yellow Ganga Jamuna borders with middle part in red, Korvai weaving Kanjivaram, price 10,990. Next is in light green checks pattern in the body with contrast borders of dark pink and royal blue, Ganga Jamuna style again, and is price 10,990. Next saree is a temple weaving chilli red with contrast black borders, paisleys woven in double zari borders in the black background, and the solid body remains in red without any golden zari buttas. This saree is priced 11,500. That's the blouse piece. Next saree is a Korvai Kanjivaram with Kora color and orangish red borders. Big temple weaving comes above the border and is priced 9,990. This is the full view of the pallu, blouse piece and the body. Next is a bright combination of turmeric yellow and purple, retapettu borders, beautiful allams woven and zari cuttons all over the body. This saree is priced 12,900 and 2 grams pure zari used. Next is another 2 grams pure silver zari used in navy blue and red combination. Checks pattern on the body, priced 9,900. Next one is a temple weaving simple Kanjivaram without much zari work. Very thin golden zari comes in the yellow borders and the body has got checks pattern. A lovely color combination and an elegant saree. This saree is priced 11,300. Next is another Ganga Jamuna style with very rare color combinations of red, royal blue and pastel light shade green. This saree is priced 10,990. Next one is another lovely temple weaving contrast combination Korvai saree, light green and black combination. Distinct weaving in the borders with the golden zari double border. This is the open view for you and it is priced 11,800. That's the blouse piece. Next one, another Ganga Jamuna style. The dark blue and Rani pink combination on the beige. It has got golden zari motifs on the body. It is priced 13,990. Next is a checks pattern Korvai Kanjivaram with the contrast bright pink and orange borders with the temple weaving and stripes pattern in golden zari. This saree is priced 11,800. Next is another beautiful combination, timeless, light green with royal blue. Mini checks pattern on the body and single golden zari border in the royal blue. This is the open view and is priced 11,800. Next one is a temple style again with orange and royal blue color combination. The whole saree has got minute checks pattern on the body which is very beautiful and elegant. Priced 10,900. That's the pallu. Next comes grey with sky blue combination. Thin checks pattern in blue comes on the body. And this is the closer view. Beautiful borders and pallu. The folded part is the blouse piece and the saree is priced 11,800. Next saree is mustard yellow with orangish pink and purple in the borders. Beautiful temple weaving is complemented in the borders and is priced 9,990. This is the open view. Very classy and elegant collection. Next one is Ganga Jamuna borders in checks pattern. Black and white checks in the body and green and Rani pink comes in the borders. This saree is priced 10,990. Another Ganga Jamuna, the yellow, Rani pink and black combination. This saree is priced 10,990. Next is a multicolor checkered pattern in the body with contrast black borders, Rettapettu style, golden zari weaving in the border. That's the pallu and blouse piece in black and the saree is priced 9,900. Next is a triple color Ganga Jamuna with royal blue, pink and cream. Minute checks pattern in the body and thin golden zari checks comes in the borders. This saree is priced 10,900. Next is a big Rettapettu style border with elephant grey and Ganga Jamuna borders on both sides. Very charming and dignified saree and is priced 10,500. Next is a simple Kanjivaram with a solid navy blue on the body and silver zari comes on the border. Very unique border and this saree is priced 10,990. That's the contrast pallu and blouse piece. Here comes the last saree in today's episode with cream and bright light green. Beautiful contrast combination and very bright and vivid. And is priced 9,900. See you all tomorrow on our next episode and until then take care. Bye bye.